Funny English jokes. Teacher, what is the difference between youngness and oldness? Student, in youngness people have many girls' phone number and mobile, and in oldness people have many doctors' number and mobile. A man testament before death. Man, son, you take 15 Bangla Defense Colony. To little son, son, I love you so much. This is why you take 20 Bangla of Gulshan Colony. To his wife, and darling, you take 11 plates. Beside, nurse got impressed and said to his wife, you are very lucky. Your husband is so rich. Wife said, rich? He unblessed is a milk seller and talking about the customers. After bomb blast outside girls' college, news reporter to injured girl. When the bomb dropped, did it explode suddenly? Injured girl. No, sir, it came very slowly to me and very decently, with affection, with respect, bowed down to me and said, Baji, Jripakaha. Doctor to patient. Doctor, your foot got injured, but there is nothing to worry about. Patient, if your foot would got injured, then for me it was no worry too, he said angrily. A beggar. A beggar got 100 rupees on the way. He gone to a famous hotel for eating and eat to their heart content. Then the waiter comes with 3000 raise bill. The beggar said to manager that I have no money. The manager handed over him to police. After the beggar gave 100 rupees to police, then he got free. It's called financial management without MBA. A guest. One son-in-law has gone to mother-in-law home. Son-in-law, why did you slaughter a hen for me? Don't be formal. Mother-in-law, look, son, you are our guest, and it's not a big deal, and we will consider that one chicken has eaten by a dog. Boy and girl. Girl, where is my birthday gift? Boy, can you see the red Ferrari on other side of road? Girl, yes, yes, I love you. Boy, I bought same color nail polish for you. Doctor advises to a fat man. Doctor, do exercise daily for good health. Fat man, doc, I play football and cricket daily. Doctor, how long do you play? Man, until the battery in my mobile goes down. Inspector and a beggar. Once an inspector bent on begging. A beggar was roaming from home to home for begging. Once a beggar knocked a home door. A man came out. The beggar head was bent down, was saying in beggarly tone, Dad, I don't have money. I am very poor, and I didn't eat since yesterday. When he looked up, it was an inspector. Then he said out of fear, if I don't eat today, then no worry, I am okay. Teacher and student. Teacher, does anybody know a bird which has wings but can't fly? Student, yes, yes, I know, madam. Teacher, okay, tell. Student, a dead bird. Scarecrow. Why did a scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Mother to his son. Mother, son, why you don't cut the hair? Son, Mom, it's a fashion. Mother, son, it's okay. But when whoever come to see your sister for selecting to their boy, then they select you instead of her and goes back. Mother and son. Boy, Mom, I got 100 marks. Mom happily, that's my son. In which subject, son? Son, 20 in maths, 30 in science, 20 in history, and 30 in Urdu. Mom, you idiot, I thought you got in one subject. Teacher to his student. Teacher, think wisely. If I give your father 500 rupees and he needs 200 rupees, then how much he will give me back? Student, not a penny. Teacher, I guess you don't know maths. Student, But sir, I guess you don't know my father. A man took a headache pill. An unwise man hanging by a tree upside down. Someone asked, "What happened to you?" The man replied, "I took a headache pill, this is why I don't want the bell to go to my stomach." Two girls in a bus. Two girls were fighting for a seat in a bus. The conductor said, "Why are you fighting for a seat? Whoever is older then sit." Hearing the praise, both girls stand till end. A big queue. There was a long queue outside Dr. closed clinic. The Babu was going to open the clinic, but no one wanted to give him a chance. When he was going there to cross the queue, then he would get back by the people. The Babu said, "Relax," and said, "Keep it up." Husband and wife. Once a husband took his wife to doctor for illness treatment. Then the doctor kept a thermometer in her mouth and said not to talk. When the husband saw his wife silent for a long time, then he said to doctor, "Doc, how much is the price of this thing?" Son and father. Father: "Son, why you came home late?" Son: "Dad, I was running after Rashka, then I saved 10 rupees." Dad slapped him and said, "Why didn't you run after bus? By this way you would have saved 20 rupees." The lion and a man. A man was passing through a jungle. A lion came close. The lion roared and said, "Today I will drink your blood." Hearing this, the man replied, "But look, my blood is cold. Behind there is other man coming. You should drink his blood. He has hot blood." The lion replied, "No, today my heart wants cold drink." One man to other man. Man: "Bro, you should stop smoking." Bro: "Why?" Man: "Because it's a bad habit. Million of people follow you and they too will start smoking." Bro: "Million of people follow Trump also. Did they all become president of USA?" Teacher to students. Teacher: "Does anyone know a bird which has wings but can't fly?" Student: "Yes, yes, I know, madam." Teacher: "Okay, tell." Student: "A dead bird." Dad to his son. Dad: "Son, give me your mobile for a minute." Son: "Wait, Dad, let me switch it on." Girlfriend number deleted. Girl's number deleted. Phone call received deleted. Delete, delete, delete. Memory card format. Phone completely reset. Son: "Take it, Dad." Dad: "Thanks. I just want to see the time." Son silently: "Shit." A man found a magic lamp. Once a man found a magic lamp. Then he rubbed it. A big genie came out. At first the man got scared, but later the genie told him, "What is your wish, my master?" The man replied, "Make a big palace for me." The genie surprised and said, "Have you a snuff to give me?" The man: "No, but why?" Genie: "I have headache. Look, if I had a home, what was I doing in this rusty lamp?" In this way he got disappear. A police to an idiot thief. Police: "During robbery, didn't you think about your wife and daughters?" Thief: "I thought, but there were all male suits in shop." A simple man had gone to see the girl for marriage. Girl mother: "We can't talk now. My daughter studies." Simple man: "Okay, no problem. We will come 1 hour later." Teacher to students. Teacher: "Students, tell me what is the difference between truth and illusion?" Student: "Sir, you are teaching us. It's truth. And we are learning. It's your illusion." Beautiful girls know. Beautiful girls don't study too much because they know that any of the corner of the world there would make for us a pool one doctor or engineer. After English exam, one friend to other. Bro, how was the paper? Bro, it was easy, but question 5 confused me. Friend, what was the question? Bro, question 5 wanted the past tense of thing. Then I taught and end up with writing thanked. Friend, wow bro, so nice. Wife to husband. Wife, dear, what is the difference between complete and finish? Husband, it's mean I find you, your life became complete, and you find me, my life got finished. Made up money. Son, Mom, can I get 20 bucks? Mom, does it look like I made up money? Son, well, isn't it? What MOM stand for? Mom, get lost. Dad and son. Son, could you give me 1,000 rupees? Dad, do you think money grows on trees? Son, then what is money made of? Dad, paper. Son, and where does paper come from? Boy and girl. Girl, dear, do you really love me? Boy, yes, a lot. Girl, explain how much love. Boy, for example, my heart is a mobile and you are a SIM in it. Girl, I am very lucky. Boy, with himself. She doesn't know that my mobile has two SIM. Boy and girl. Boy, our principal is a stupid man. Girl, do you know who I am? Boy, no. Girl, I am the principal's daughter. Boy, do you know who I am? Girl, no. Boy, good. And he walks away. A man writes and ads in newspaper. Once a man gave an advertisement in newspaper for an employee, but the requirements were that I need an employee without salary and the only thing he will eat and drink daily. A man read this and had gone for recruitment and met to the boss. The man was handicapped. He told him that here near to my home people are cooking charitable food. You go there, eat yourself and bring me also. The girl and fortune teller. Fortune teller saw a girl hand and said, your husband will be killed. Girl, I know that, but tell me, will I be caught? Subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, press like and hit the bell icon for more jokes update. Thanks for watching.